important point which I have taken up with the traffic police is to challenge all those people who are wrongly parking in a prohibited area along the airport road. If you come in the morning, the entire road is with tankers, trucks and other heavy vehicles which otherwise are going to lift their cargo from the Marmagaon Port Trust. It is Marmagaon Port Trust MPT. We should give them the parking place, not go on parking in an unwarranted manner, causing a traffic hazard to the common people. I have told them once they are challenged, automatically they will represent to the MPT. They will see that this particular traffic parking, which is quite chaotic to the common man, does not take place. Next to NAD, MPT has got land. Recently they were seeking permission for change of purpose from the PDA, which they have granted for residential purpose. I think they should use this area for parking. It was the land which they have taken from us, from the PDA plots next to the NAD. I think that will be quite sufficient to have a nice parking there. Why don't they do parking for their own trucks?
तर हे ट्रक्स पार्क केल्ले आसा. सकाळी परत राउंडाक गेला थंय ट्रक्स पार्क, सांजे परत ट्रक्स पार्क. हांव आतां इन्फॉर्मेशन काडल्या म्हाका कळ्ळें की हे MPTन वता म्हणून. आतां वर्णापुरी टू MPT रस्तो केन्ना कंप्लीट जातलो कोणाक खबर. इतले वर्सांच्यान तो चालू आसा. ते कंप्लीट करपा जाय आनी ते ट्रक्स भायल्या भायर तशे वचपा जाय. हे सामको इनकन्विनियन्स जाला लोकांक.
हांव म्हणटा तुका आतां हे ट्रक जे आसा पळय हांगा, दे आर बीन गोईंग सपोज टू बी गोइंग टू MPT. ते MPT वचपाचे ट्रक तांकां हांगा पार्किंग करपा लायला. This is causing inconvenience to a lot of people who are passing by. When they have got their consignment or ships coming, why their trucks are parked here? Is this a parking area? Has this been allotted by the government for parking? Convenience, inconvenience लोकांक. फाल्यां हांगा एक्सिडेंट जायत जाल्यार the most responsible कोण? MPT will take up the responsibility, or the traffic department will say no, it is because of the parking allotted to these trucks, or will it be the government of Goa who is going to be responsible? कोण responsible आसा आतां?
That is not, I mean, for the parking, that land is not suitable for parking of trucks coming to the port area, because that is far away from the port area. Actually, that point is very correct. There is a justification for starting a truck parking yard, truck parking terminal somewhere near to the port. So we are exploring the possibility, and we are surveying the nearby areas, and it is required to start a truck parking yard. That we are surveying the area to find out a suitable location.
But you have any